Only the best music production. Sons of bitches.
After that.
Oh, it does. It does.
It does, bro. And after that, it stops.
No, you don't.
It's far away from playgrounds. Y'all play the game foul. I stand on what I lay down. All of my dogs is greyhounds that came together. Put pain down, we chain together.
Y'all can't break me.
I've been through worse.
I'm made for better.
You know me. Straight 5 whenever. I fuck them bitch that hate guys whenever. Cause I'm a
gallus and mind them big up. Blood. Store Mighty Soldiers, beloveds. You see it, man. Feet on land. I mean, you at the Strand about to do a big. What we doing? The LOX?
LOX 30th anniversary, baby.
It's the dynasty, B.
Where we at, B?
Store Mighty guys, man. Feet on land. Strand with it, beloved.
Man.
Come on, man.
Moments away before destruction.
Y'all niggas don't be here. I don't never see y'all here.
Never, never. You still doing local shows.
Stop doing that.
You still doing open mics.
You still performing for the DJs.
Why you doing open mics for?
I warned you about that last time.
Why you at AS220 for?
I don't like when you do that.
I hate when you do that.
I hate it so bad. You a step ahead of me in the
dropping hoops on niggas, you know what the fuck it is. LOX. We at the Strand right now. 1 more hour is about to go down. Jadakiss, Sheik, Luch, and Styles P, AZ.
You don't wanna miss it, nigga.
Almighty.
We about to make history, nigga, and that's that. That's the rest.
Congratulations. Pat yourself on the back, beloved. Well, y'all didn't even know. This is the nigga who we started as aliens. Almighty.
Yo, this was MC. Hundo, he'll forever be.
Man, forever. Always keep it 100.
Come on, man. Talk this shit, man. Talk this shit. Yeah, nigga.
Almighty, always gonna stay almighty, you know the deal.
Almighty, nigga.
Fucking figures, you heard? Yeah.
It's a video.
The game, like he's subbing, we clutching it, he comes to fuck with him. What more can I say? They talk shit about me, but I fuck like every day. I go bitches every day. Okay, no way, Jose. Go to roof off the place. I'm like, okay.
This is almighty. Only the best.
Let me get a motherfucking yeah! Wait, that was beautiful. Hold on. Let me get my videographer for that. Where you at? Get your camera on. Yo, Providence, are you recording? I want them to see how beautiful my city. Put the light on my niggas. Yo, put the light on these beautiful people. Let me get a yeah! Nah, I gotta do that one more time. My mom's never gonna believe this shit. I said, let me get a yeah!
It's a classic, been old deck, and we started this rap shit. Guess we some veterans, more than just relevant. Name someone better than V and they captain. Who better than that, man? This energy is beautiful. Loyalty comes first.
Niggas that put the bread on the table, leave the bullshit on the floor.
I mean,
I hate you.
workers act different when the bosses walk through.
Don't fucking put a bag in your pocket.
Would you take Capo of your crew?